SafeLink wireless accounts can be closed, but full deletion requires specific steps. First, understand the difference between closing and deleting. To start, log into your SafeLink account via the app or website. Navigate to Account Settings, then Manage Lines, and finally Close Account. Submit your request, stating your reason for closure. Be aware that if you have any outstanding balances, such as unpaid device costs, you'll need to settle them. For complete account deletion, including data erasure, it's crucial to contact SafeLink customer support directly at 1-888-442-5102 or through the Contact Us form on their website. Provide your account details and follow their instructions. Keep in mind that the deletion process can take 30 to 60 days to complete. Also consider that closing your SafeLink account may affect your future eligibility for Lifeline benefits, potentially incurring a 12-month waiting period for re-enrollment in some states. If you have a multi-line SafeLink account, such as a family plan, you can remove individual lines without closing the entire account. This can be done through the SafeLink app. Doing so lets you continue service for active lines while discontinuing unwanted ones. Regarding privacy, SafeLink collects data for service provision and regulatory compliance. To limit data sharing, access your account settings to opt out of marketing communications. You can also unsubscribe via email links in promotional messages. Note that SafeLink retains data for up to 7 years after account closure for regulatory reasons, after which the data is anonymized or deleted. A key trend is the rise of digital self-service, with most SafeLink account closures now initiated digitally. Furthermore, increased privacy scrutiny has led to enhancements in data handling, including data portability requests. It is always advisable to check SafeLink's website directly for their latest policies.